Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah. If you're just naked, them chat you. If you cover up, them suspect you. If you're worthless, them condemn you. And if you progress, them bad mind you. Win the lotto, them rob you. Get rich, them will scam you. If a government, them will tax you. A Western Union, careful, them will ban you. If you're single, them will stalk you. And if you're married, Lord God, them will stress you. Get baptized, them provoke you. Try run off now, them deport you. If you're a pitney, them kidnap you. And if you're a woman, them rape and kill you. If you're a man, woman will mad you. And if you choose to go back to America, may God help you. Start a business, them not support you. Try go dead now, they go fund you. Do something positive. Them not share you. Make this grace take you. What? Viral video. Wanna stay, so?
Them answer you?
No. Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.